Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP ABAP question and answer. What are the components of SAP script? For SAP, SAP scripts are a word processing tool. It has a function like standard text and layout sets. Its layout set contains of windows and pages, character formats, paragraph formats, etc. SAP script comprises of five main components: an editor for entering and editing the lines of a text, styles and layout set for print layout. These are created independent for the individual text using the corresponding maintenance transition and are allocated to the text later. The composer is a central output module. The SAP script composer is invisible to the outside. A programming interface that allows you to include SAP script components into your own application programs and to control the output of layout set for the within the programs. Several database table for storing text styles and layout set. Thank you for watching.